Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft not working in Windows 11. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. The question is, why won't Minecraft work on my PC? There are numerous potential reasons why Minecraft won't work on your PC. Assuming the computer meets the game's minimum system requirements, which aren't particularly high, these are some of the more likely causes for the game not working. First, conflicting programs. Various third-party antivirus utilities and other software are known to conflict with Minecraft. Second, outdated or faulty graphics card driver. Your PC's graphics card driver could be corrupted or outmoded, which is a fairly common cause of gaming issues. Third, restricted access permissions. The game might not work within non-admin accounts because of restricted resource access permissions. Fourth, outdated Java. Minecraft Java Edition might not work if you need to update Java on your PC. It certainly won't work if Java isn't installed. Fifth, outdated Minecraft game version. Your Minecraft game version might be somewhat outdated. Are you among those players who need to fix Minecraft not working in Windows 11? If you are, try fixing that game with these potential resolutions. What can I do if Minecraft is not working in Windows 11? Let's start. First, run Minecraft as an administrator. Right-click the desktop shortcut for Minecraft and select the Properties option. If you don't have a shortcut there for the game, left-click and drag the Minecraft app from the Start menu onto the desktop. Click Compatibility to open that tab's options. Next, select the Run this program as administrator option. Make sure you click Apply. Press the OK button to exit the Properties window. Second, update Minecraft. You can update Minecraft with its game launcher, the MS Store app, or by reinstalling it. Our How to Update Minecraft Windows 10 Edition guide provides full instructions for those alternative methods that may be applied by Windows 11 users too. Third, reset the Minecraft game app. Click the magnifying glass taskbar icon for opening Windows 11's search utility. Enter the keyword Apps and Features within the search text box. Select the Apps and Features search result. Click the three dots button for the listed Minecraft game. Choose Advanced Options on the menu. Click the Reset option. Then, select Reset again to further confirm. Fourth, update Java. Open the Java for Windows download page in your web browser. Press the Agree and Start Free Download button on that web page. When you've downloaded the Java installer, click the File Explorer taskbar button. Open the folder you saved the Java setup file in. Double-click G8U311 Windows x64.x to open the Java setup window. Click Install on that window. If an old Java version is already installed, the Java setup window will prompt you to uninstall it. Click Uninstall to do so. Fifth, update your graphics card's driver. Open the driver download page or Intel website depending on what GPU your PC has. Choose your graphics card model and Windows platform within the menu selection on the driver download page. Click the Submit or Search buttons to find the selected graphics card model. Then select to download the latest driver for your graphics card that's compatible with Windows 11. Thereafter, open the folder you downloaded the driver package to within File Explorer. Double-click the downloaded driver package to install it. Sixth, disable third-party antivirus software. Incompatible third-party antivirus software can stop Minecraft from working. A Minecraft Hopper support page lists 14 third-party antivirus and firewall utilities known to conflict with that game. That webpage also includes numerous incompatible Minecraft programs that aren't antivirus utilities. If you've installed third-party antivirus software, it's recommended that you at least disable its shield before playing Minecraft. To do so, right-click the Antivirus Utilities system tray and select the Disable or Turn Off context menu option. Choose to disable the shield for a few hours. If your antivirus utility is among those known to conflict with Minecraft, consider completely uninstalling it. However, try disabling its shield first to see if that makes any difference. If it does, you can keep the software installed. Seventh, clean boot Windows 11. First, press the Windows key +X hotkey to select the Run shortcut. Open msconfig by entering this command in Run and clicking OK. Next, click Selective Startup if that radio button isn't selected. Deselect the checkbox for the Load Startup Items option. If not already ticked, select the Load System Services and use Original Boot Configuration checkboxes. Click Services to view that tab's options. Select the Hide All Microsoft Services setting that you can see below. Press Disable All button to uncheck the checkboxes for all remaining third-party services. Click Apply to save the new boot configuration. Next, select the OK option. Thereafter, click Restart on the dialog box prompt. Try playing Minecraft after you've clean booted Windows 11. If clean booting Windows 11 does the trick, a third-party program or service was probably previously conflicting with Minecraft. You'll need to identify what software that is when, or if, you restore the original boot configuration. You can restore the default boot settings by selecting Load Startup Items on the System Configuration Windows General tab. To re-enable all disabled services, click Enable All on the Services tab. 8. Reinstall Minecraft. Press the Windows and R keys simultaneously, which will open Run. To open Windows Uninstall, input this command and click OK, then select the Minecraft game listed within the Programs and Features window. Click the Uninstall option for Minecraft. Thereafter, open the Run accessory again. Type this text in Run's open box and press Enter. Right-click the .minecraft subfolder within the roaming folder and select Delete. Open the Start menu, click Power, and select Restart. Bring up the Minecraft launcher to log in. Then click Play within Update Notes to reinstall the game. Alternatively, click Download for Windows 10 11 on the Minecraft website to download the game's installer. Then reinstall the game with the downloaded installer. The above guidelines are for reinstalling Minecraft Java Edition. You can remove the Minecraft OP app by uninstalling it via Apps and Features in Settings. Then download Minecraft from its MS storage page to reinstall the game. And that's it. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.